Hello again and welcome to my channel. I'm Fraser from Metalworking in France. I operate a little light engineering business here in southwest France. I'm wrapped up a little bit today because it's obviously winter's kicking in a little bit, so I haven't had a chance to light the little log burner at the moment and get things warmed up, but I'll do that as we go on. Anyway, a little project on today. Local gentleman has brought me a gate that's been damaged by a local farmer. He drove a machine into it somehow. He's just bent or broken a couple of the spindles in the gate. It's a metal gate with tubular spindles. So I've just got to cut these 3 spindles out and weld in some new ones. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. There's a little button at the bottom of your screen there that can let you do that. And like, obviously, as well, give me a thumbs up for the video. And obviously, if you ring the little bell, that'll tell you of any future videos that I might put on. Every time I put a video on, in theory, a little bell should ring on your computer and tell you Fraser stuck another video on. Okay, so anyway, follow me as we progress with this job and see how it pans out. As you can see, 3 of these are bent. Well, 2 are bent, the other one's completely disappeared. So I'm just going to cut these off here, top and bottom, weld in a couple of new bits of tube. Shouldn't be too big a problem. Let's see how it goes. There we are, there's the job complete. 3 new bars put in, welded in. See you in the next video. Well, there we are. Nice little job, all complete. No problems at all. A little bit of trouble, well, putting the welds on because obviously trying to weld tube onto an old, another piece of tube which has got paint on it, etc. Get blowholes in it, but I just had to fill them up every now and then. Just when it blew a hole in the tube, just just gently tack it a little bit of weld onto the hole just to fill it up. Anyway, job's done. It's only like a garden gate, quite a big one, right enough, but it's about a metre and a half, maybe 2 metres long. So anyway, it's done now. It's all ready to go out to the gentleman. He only lives around the corner anyway, so I'll let him know it's done and he can come and collect it, and the job's done. I'm sure he'll be pleased with it. He's got to put some paint on it, but I think he's going to have to paint the whole gate, otherwise it's going to look a bit silly. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up at the end of the video. And as I say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And of course, ring the bell. Okay, so see you in the next video. And in the meantime, I'll bid you farewell and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Goodbye.